What's your name?
Musa Mohammed.
He said his name is Musa Mohammed.
Don't look back. If that's a stop, don't look back.
Ya sunanka?
Musa Mohammed.
He said his name is Musa Mohammed.
How old are you?
42.
He said he's 42 years.
Okay, where is he uniform? Where they wear do patrol?
Nina Siani.
Oh, sorry. Why do you guys? Just don't worry. Don't see that. Look that man. Since when you don't they buy motorcycle from people? Motorcycle where they don't use before.
He said it's not up to a year now.
How many you don't buy from them?
Na siya sun kai guda 10 na yi guda kwaba din su kuma sun kai guda 10 na kuma dawo da su na siya sun kai guda 10 kuma an dawo da su.
He said he bought up to 10 of them.
10 of them.
Kuma an dawo da su. Ina siya 800, 900 har.
He used to buy 800 and 900,000 naira.
What of the keke napep?
Shi ne keke napep abin da nake siya ke.
He said that is the price of the keke napep.
10,000 naira.
800,000 naira.
800,000 naira.
Yes, sir.
Na?
How many in the country?
700,000, 800. Mukan sai da ita kamar 950 zuwa miliyan 1.
He said he used to buy around 800 and sold out to 800,000 naira.
You get to
10,951 million. Na? In nufin siyar 950 har miliyan 1 mun siya.
He used to sell out up to 1 million naira.
The people where reply, you can't give them. Are they dealers? Then they sell. How did you know them?
Ba dila ba ne. Suna wani daga cikinsu yana tuka keke napep din ne. Yana kwada ne wani yana tukawa ne daga haka ne muka.
He said they normally ride for other people owns. It's not the actual owners of the keke.
Na sai keken na sata ne. Laifi na siyan kayan sata.
He said his offense is receiving stolen properties.
I've experienced a similar thing. Come to IoT office, come and work with them. We are still working on other members of these syndicates that are still at large, but we have this one with us. And those who actually patronize them, the big businessmen that patronize them, we're on their trail. We'll soon get them one after the other. They can go. You can let them go. You know, the major issue is we are more interested in dealing with receivers. If any thief does not have a receiver, he will not continue that business. So Nigerians should know that receiving stolen items is a criminal offense and is punishable. So if you see people who sell, most of these places we see around us, not open market per se, but they always sell fairly used items. Let us focus on them. Let us touchlight them very well because many of them are receivers. And this is a criminal offense. They encourage these criminals to go on the field to go and rob and bring proceeds of their robbery to them. They are doing us more harm than any good. So Nigerians, I want to appeal to you. Try and always profile your customers where you want to buy items. Many of us, we have bought fairly used mobile phones that are stolen property. And once we commence our investigation and we trace this stolen item to you, you are liable under the law. You have degrees of your involvement. Some can be treated as innocent buyers, while some are actually real receivers and they are going to be treated as such. There are points to prove all these degrees of involvement. So we want to appeal to you, whatever you want to buy, always know the genuine sources of items you want to buy. If you are not sure, don't buy. If you don't have money to go to any big outlets, ShopRite or whatever, any commercial center you want to go buy anything, don't rush to buy those things. Keep your money, have your savings until you have enough money to go and buy genuine ones. Because receiving stolen items is a punishable offense and is criminal indeed. So these ones have been receiving keke napep. They've been receiving bikes. You can see keke napep, you how much they sell one, and they are buying 900. They will sell this amount. Guilty knowledge is one of the points to prove a case of receiving stolen property. When something is sold in the market for 1 million naira, and you rush to buy because it's a stolen item for almost 50 or 60,000 naira, that is guilty knowledge. So you know that that thing is stolen and you want to buy cheap. That's why you are patronizing a criminal to get these items. So we want our operatives to still continue to work on this guy, because I know some of them are still going, they are still on the field there. They're on the highways putting on police uniform, black over black, with police shoe black, with police beret black or green or red, with fake ID cards, portraying police bad, as if our men are the ones robbing computers and road users on the road. So I want to urge our operative to keep watch on people like this and need to move to monitor the activities of some of these individuals. Majorly at night, when we travel along some of these major highways, we need to keep watch on them and very, very sensitive to things like this. And Nigerians want to urge you, when you meet them, call attention to this so that I can actually go to check whether they are police officers or original fake officers. Thank you. The next one we have here is a case.
How old are you? He said he's 3 years old. So, what's your name? His name is Misha Omaru. Who know any chicken gang? He said there are only 2.
Since when have you started business? Ask this question.
Since when have you joined this business?
Gaskiya ban jima da yi ba, ban daɗe ba gaskiya.
He said they here. You know, will be speaking.
Not this big.
What did you do? What can you come here? What can you come here now?
Mun shiga gidan wata mata ne.
Eh?
Mun shiga gidan wata mata ne.
They enter a woman's house. At where?
Mun je mun yi mata sata ne a gidanta.
Which place?
Lugoi.
They said they enter a woman's house at Lube and stole her items.
You want to use pillow to kill, to strangulate the woman. You carry pillow, won't kill her. Why?
Me yasa ka sa pillow?
Wannan gaskiya ba a haka nan ba. Gaskiya ba filon da aka ce za a kashe ta da shi.
Said there was no pillow used to kill her.
Filon kawai an kara kofa ne da shi, gaskiya ba filon da aka ce za a kashe ta.
They only use the pillow to cover the door.
To cover the door.
Mm.
He actually carried